from the sun, cold and dry, a rusty red dot in the velvet sky. Two little moons always spinning fast, Phobos leads, Deimos drags in the past. Mount Olympus stands so tall, the tallest mountain of them all. A shield volcano frozen in time. I'm a planet with secrets and dust storms that climb. Red dust rising, winds that roar from canyon floors to cratered shores. Frozen poles, a thin Q2 sky. Martian dreams will never die. Come explore me, take your chance. Welcome to the red romance. My days are almost Earth's, just 39 minutes more. But my years take double, oh, I've seen centuries soar. Atmosphere's thin, just 1%. Can't breathe me in, but don't lament. I've got water, ice, and ancient scars. Valles Marineris stretching far. A canyon deep and wide with pride that would swallow Earth's Grand Canyon inside. Red dust rising, winds that roar from canyon floors to cratered shores. Frozen poles, a thin CO2 sky. Martian dreams will never die. Come explore me, take your chance. Welcome to the red romance. I once had rivers, I once had rain. Channels carved across the plain. Curiosity roves where life might hide. Perseverance keeps the hope alive. No magnetic field to shield my face. Solar winds strip me without grace. But still I turn, still I glow, a beacon for the brave below. Red dust